Passage number 34 of All-in-One Monthly Magazine. Start. A four-member Supreme Court implementation bench, headed by Chief Justice of Pakistan Mian Saqib Nisar, also asked Attorney General Anwar Mansoor to get instructions from the federal government for regular allocation of funds in the public sector development program for uninterrupted execution of the projects. Full stop. The government has to come up with a complete plan by December 24. Full stop. On July 4, the Supreme Court had ordered the opening of the account with the direction to the federal government, WAPDA, and the executive authority to take effective measures in the light of unanimous decisions of the Council of Common Interest to develop 4,500 megawatt Basha Dam and 700 megawatt Mohammedan Dam. Full stop. During the hearing, the Chief Justice of Pakistan also inquired about the fate of a tunnel in the Babusar Top in Gilgit-Baltistan, believed to be necessary for logistic purposes for reducing time. Full stop. But the Attorney General explained that the Frontier Works Organization had secured a stay order from the court concerned against the construction of the tunnel by the Chinese. Full stop. The Chief Justice of Pakistan, however, held out an assurance that the Apex Court would take care of the stay, but cautioned that not a single penny of rupees 8.4 billion so far collected through public donations would be allowed to go waste or be spent in any other project other than the exclusive purpose for which the fund was established. Full stop. Para. We will ensure that the amount so collected was secured, and the purpose of the collection was to create awareness among the people about the imminent scarcity of water, which has now become a campaign in the country. Full stop. We, the judges, are also accountable for the funds, the Chief Justice of Pakistan observed and asked WAPDA authorities to create a website to inform people about the money being spent on the project, even if a pencil had to purchased. Full stop. Referring to devaluation of the Pakistan rupee, Chief Justice of Pakistan Nisar ordered the Attorney General to ask the government to take measures for stopping depreciation of the rupee against the dollar. Full stop. Para. He also asked the Attorney General to be the focal person in the matter and take the court into confidence in case any hiccup occurred in the execution of the project. Full stop. The court also asked the government to inform the court of its plans if it intended to create some company and issue bonds for generating funds internationally for dams. Full stop. Justice Faisal Arab also asked the Attorney General to furnish a cut-off date from when the execution of the project would commence and also suggest measures for reducing desilting of dams. Full stop. Justice Ejazul Hassan highlighted the demand of WAPDA for ensuring adequate funds at the end stage of the project when the money would be needed the most for timely completion of the project. Full stop. The court recalled that the government intended to initiate Mohammedan Dam first and that the court should also be taken into confidence in this regard. Full stop.